Welcome to another how-to video. How to utilize gear sets and Legend of a Mushroom. Hey everyone, today our topic is utilizing gear sets and Legend of Mushroom. As you can see, I'm just a newbie to this game, so I have no class as of now, but to utilize the gear set is based upon your class you have. Like for me, when you pick mage, you need to focus on the attributes that base on skill. If you pick warrior, you need to focus on attack, HP, and def. Or if you pick archer, you need to focus on attack speed, evasion, and crit rate. But it's up to you if on how you can utilize your gear. Like you can mix your utilized gear with skill and HP, or warrior with attack and crit rate, and so on. That's simply it. Have fun and enjoy the game. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.